Hi, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I'm going to show you how I did this really awesome, colorful, magnetic nail set. So first off, I always prep my nails with Young Nails Protein Bond. I do use only Protein Bond. I don't buff the nails. That is because I do use Aprés soft gel. If you're using plastic nails, you do need to buff and use a base coat. Okay, so we're going to come in with Ugly Duckling's black gel polish. This gel polish has saved my life. It is a 2-coat full coverage black gel. Every other black gel polish I've used, I've had to do at least 3 or even 4 coats. So this has absolutely saved me because let's face it, black is a really popular color in regards to nail sets. And when you have to do 3 or 4 coats, that just eats into your time so bad. So when you can find polishes that are 1 to 2 coat full coverage, like that is just a dream. So Ugly Duckling, honestly, almost all their polishes, you get full coverage in 2 coats. So I definitely recommend that you check out Ugly Duckling. I mean, they are a little bit more expensive, but their bottles are big. Like I've never ran out of colored polish. Well, I have ran out of the white, but I haven't ran out of the black yet. And yeah, they're definitely a good gel brand to invest in for sure. So you do want to put thin coats. It does look like I'm putting them pretty thick just because of how pigmented this polish is, but trust me, I am putting down very thin coats of this polish in order to get a full cure. And although you do only need to cure them for 30 seconds, darker colors I always put in for a full minute just to make sure I get that full cure. So next we're going to come in with Aprés Glitter Bomb. That's after I did 2 coats of the black. I didn't show the second coat. I figured that was redundant. So when I do the magnetic nails, I like to do every other nail. And that is just so the magnet doesn't affect the nail that's next to it. So that's a tip. You're going to want to just do every other nail. So put a good coverage of the glitter bomb over the full nail. And then for this magnetic design, I used the round side of the magnet. And then I just came into the corner and just let it basically pull up. I was kind of trying to make like an S, I guess, figure with the polish. So I'm doing the same thing on the other nail because both these nails are wet. So we're going to work them both at the same time. I like to be as efficient as possible when I'm making these nail sets. So I always think out like what's the most efficient way to get the set done. So now I'm coming in on the other side to kind of make it that S pattern. And then once you have the magnetic polish in your, I guess, desired design, you're going to pop that into your LED light and cure it. And then after you cure those ones, I did the other 2 nails, and I basically did the same design with the magnet, but I did the opposite of the nail that is next to it, if that makes sense. I swear sometimes when there's a pattern to my nail sets, I get so confused. I'll have to sometimes like stare at it and yeah, I hate patterns, to be honest with you. I'd rather more of a freestyle design, but whatever. I made this one into somewhat of a pattern. I have done this set backwards before, and then I basically had to redo it because I'm such a perfectionist. Yeah, so okay, after you cure the glitter bomb, I'm coming in with some jelly colors to then make it that cool rainbow, I guess, transition effect across all the nails. So this color is Evergreen by Bioseaweed Gel. Now, I don't think it was meant to be a jelly polish, but the first coat of this is very sheer. So that is why I did use this in this design. And then the other jelly polishes I used are by Joya. This is the blue. I'm going to list all the polishes in the description box that you can reference later. So I just painted down each side of the nail. I have not cured the green yet. Once again, I'm going to paint all of these nails and then I'll cure them all at once, doing everything as efficiently as possible. So because it's kind of like a gradient, the blue is on, half of two nails, and then we're kind of like working down the colors. And so this one is purple, which I kind of regretted blending the purple with the green afterwards, but I don't know. It ended up looking okay. And this set actually ended up being a pretty popular set when I launched it on my website for my New Year's launch. So I think I am going to bring this set back in January when I launch my new designs, and I might do like another version of it with just the half purple and half blue nail and just take the green out altogether. So now I'm just using my small detail brush to kind of blend the colors a little bit more together. And then after I cured that, I'm going to come in with my favorite no wipe top coat, also by Ugly Duckling. And I did only record me top coating these two nails because I swear my lamp sometimes, the light I use to record with, I swear it sometimes cures my top coat on me. So yeah, I only recorded painting these two nails. But yeah, so this is the entire set done. And if you liked this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more to come. Thank you so much for watching.